Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show weather forecast in the calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the calendar app. Then tap on the menu key at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next we go down and tap on show weather forecast. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. Once it is turned on, you can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here, tap on weather settings, and you can also change the unit, the current location, auto refresh, notifications, show weather on app screen, and you can also choose to customize the service or not. And after that, once it is turned on, you can tap on the back key to go back to your main calendar. And here, when you open up a particular day, it will show you the weather forecast as well. So if I tap on back key here, you can see at the top it will give you a weather forecast. And that's it. That is how you can add weather forecast or show weather forecast in the calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.